We were 3,000. They were 20,000. The victory belonged to us. O Nabi of Allah, we will be so few in number. He replied him, no, my Sahaba, we will be millions. In fact, the example he uses is the fruit of the sea. So now the companions are amazed. How did we will come to this? How did this ummah? How did we will come from 1 month distance? Their hearts would tremble with our fear. To the example of Rasulullah, you will be like put on the tray. Dear listeners, listen and listen carefully. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam came with this deen, and he came away and a system that this ummah was to follow it. From today until Al-Qiyamah, we will be successful. We will be successful in this world. We will be successful in the grave, and we will be successful in the day of judgment. The deen of Allah is complete. اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا. Whatever hardships you face, whatever strains and tribulations come your way, look to my deen, look to my way, look to what I brought upon the Sahaba, and this is your success. And by Allah, if you look towards anything else, if you are gained from Allah, if you are gained from the qudrat of Allah and falls upon the technologies of men, if you are gained from the will of Allah and falls upon the riches of this world, then Allah will himself disgrace you, will himself dishonor you, because the path that He chose was the path of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We lift Allah. When will we wake up? When will we understand that La ilaha illallah, this is our success? La ilaha illallah, what does it mean, my brother? La ilaha illallah means there is no God, there is no deity, there is no might, there is no power, there is nothing, whether it's their technologies, whether it's their armies, whether it's their wealth, whether it's the land, the trees, the stars, the oceans, the animals, the moon, the sun, be it the angels, be it the first heaven, the second heaven, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the seventh heaven. The oceans above it, the throne of Allah, the kursi of Allah. All are dead. Nothing moves, nothing gives, nothing benefits, and nothing harms illallah. La ilaha illallah, this is the kalima day. There is no God, there is no deity, there is no might illallah. Allah is our Rabb. Allah is in control of everything. Allah is the one, Allahu Ahad. Allah is the ultimate one. Everything you see around you is garbage. It is nothing. Allah is everything. As long as we have Allah, we have everything. May Allah give us strength for following the footsteps of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you so much.